Hi friends, so our today's topic is pollen culture. Before going so deep in this topic, first we should discuss about the terminologies related to this culture. The first one is the pollen. This pollen is used for transferring the haploid male genetic material from the anther of a single flower to the stigma of the another in cross pollination. Okay, these pollens are found in the pollen sacs in ends of the stamen, that is the male parts of the flower, typically surround the carpel, okay, the female part of a flower. Then this pollen are present in the inside the anther in the pollen sacs. This anther is a part of a stamen, the stamen which is a male part of a flower, and this anther is bilobe structure. Okay, this pollens are these pollens are the microspore culture is an in vitro technique, okay, by which the pollen grains at the uninucleated stage, means where the single nucleus is present, are squeezed out, separate out aseptically, means without any infection, from the anther and then cultured on the nutrient medium. Means what we have to do here in this culture is any culture where we are using pollen is called as the pollen culture. Here we have to separate the pollen grains at the uninucleated stage, means when they are having single nucleus, from the anther which is bilobed, having the pollen grains in the pollen sac. We have to remove it and then we have to culture it in the nutrient medium which we have prepared artificially in the environment in the laboratory condition. Then the principle. So this is a very short video friends about the pollen culture. Okay, this is a minor outline of this culture. If you have any queries about this topic, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So now coming back to the principle, the basic principle of this pollen culture is the production of the haploid plants. Okay, I have already told you about the haploids in the previous videos. These haploid plants exploiting the totipotency of the microspore and the occurrence of the single set of chromosome in the microspore. Microspore means that pollen only. Totipotency means it is that capacity, that ability of the cell to produce, to develop it into a whole plant. Okay, the haploid means the capacity of a single cell to develop into a whole plant. Then the haploid embryoids or the callus tissue. Callus tissue means the unorganized growth on the or the unorganized mass of the cell, okay, which we can see after some time of the culture, can be seen as the culture dehisces in anther dehisces in culture, means when the pollen grains initiation has started. Then applications of this is used for the basic research. It is used for the mutation study. Mutations means the certain inheritable changes. Okay, the application of the haploid culture for the horticulture plants, the use of the pollen culture for the plant breeding and the crop improvement process, for the haploid culture for the horticulture plants. Okay, so this point has been repeated friends. So this is the application of the pollen culture. So the procedure of the pollen culture is like, what we have to do is, first we have to the surface sterilized of the flower bud. What we have to do, the surface sterilization, the disinfection we have, means we have to disinfect that if any infection is there, then surface sterilization should be there of that flower bud. Then we split the flower bud and take out the stamens. Okay, then this we discard the filaments. Okay, then this anther portion is there, then we gently crush the anthers by the glass rod. Then the ms broth is there, then we filter the pollens there. Then pollen suspension. Okay, then pollen pellets we can see after centrifugation at 500 to 800 rpm for 5 minutes we can have the pollen pellet. Then resuspension we have to do for 5 to 10 minutes. After that we have to centrifuge it. Then pellet. Okay, resuspension in fresh medium, ms broth. Then after that for 5 to 10 minutes we have to centrifuge. Then we can see again pellets. Then the pollens from there we plate it in the ms medium. Then incubate that plate for 24 to 26 degree for 3 to 4 weeks. After some time we will see the embryos. Okay, then regenerated plantlet or the haploid we can see. Okay, so thank you friends for watching this video on the pollen grains. As I have told you already that this is a small about small minor outlines about the topic. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section below. Thank you. Stay tuned.